Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete unused keyboards on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General. After that, scroll down, then tap on Keyboard. Now in here, tap on Keyboards and then go down and tap on the Edit button. In here, tap on the Delete button on the keyboard that you don't want to keep. Then tap on Delete. And that's it. Then after that, tap on the Done button to save the changes. Now if you go back to your one of your application and bring up the keyboard, you can see that if you tap on the language icon, then the keyboard that you have deleted will no longer show in this list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.